Hi, beautiful people. This is my student saying hello to you all. Her name is Esther. So, guys, I wanted Esther to do something like she's a new student and I want her to do Didi just for me to know how far she has gone. And this is Esther trying to do Didi Chuku. So, guys, keep watching. Let me know in the comment section. Please give her thumbs up if Elster has really tried. She started late February. That's when she started with me. So most people, they don't like doing Didi. Yes, most stylists, they don't know how to do Didi, but me, I prefer my students starting with Didi so that they'll be able to catch up. At least there won't be any reason for them not to know how to do the Didi. So and that's what I want her to give it to me now. So I want her to show us what she has learned, and exactly the way I taught her, that's what she's giving to us. So first thing, she parting the hair into 4 portions because she's achieving Chuku Didi. So after parting it into 4 portions, so now she secured the portions and started with one part of the hair. So let's see what she has to give to us. Can you see, guys? So this is Esther trying to do Chuku Didi for us. Please let me know in the comment section if she's learning fast and if she have really tried for this particular Chuku. Let me know in the comment section. Please encourage her with your comments. Give her thumbs up, like the video, share to your friends and family. If today is your first time of watching any of my video, that means you are new here. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button to join the family so that you won't miss out anytime I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so very much for always tuning into this channel. Thank you so much. Without you guys, there's nothing like Queen and Nikki. So guys, let's watch what Esther has to give to us. Can you see her? So this is her dummy. Then I want her to practice the Didi on the dummy before I will ask her to do it on somebody's hair for me to know. Doing it on dummy, the dummy cannot really say if the braid is tight or not. But I just want her hand to be firm before she will practice it on somebody's head. Can you see, guys? So she's doing straight Chuku. See the one she have done. So this is how she keep going with this lovely Didi. Like, I'm really impressed. Yes, she's making me proud already. Esther, thank you for making me proud. It's not easy to be a student and you are learning. More is not easy. Can you see, guys? That's how Esther keep going with this lovely hair tutorial. So for today, Esther is our stylist and she's the one doing the tutorial. So if you are a learner like her, you don't know how to do Didi, just watch carefully and you can also try this particular Didi on your dummy. So if you are a student, make sure you have this dummy. That will help you to learn faster. Yes, so you'll be able to learn faster with it. So that's how she keep going. She's doing Chuku. So can you see, guys? Can you see? She's almost done with this lovely Chuku. This is the last session she wants to braid. Esther KPK. So guys, like, I'm really excited. So she's almost done with this lovely Chuku. Can you guys see? So let me know in the comment section if Esther is, let me know in the comment section. Please share this video to your friends and family. And if you have anyone that is doing this same Didi, or you are a professional hairdresser and you don't know how to do Didi, please learn it too, because most people believe it's old people that used to do Didi. It's not though. Whatever you learn, that's what you'll be able to do. So guys, this is the final look of the chuku. Like, she's done and she just chook the hand inside the tips of the chuku. Can you see? Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.